Two friends, a lazy Saturday, real English you'll actually hear at home. I'm blue, you're red. You'll read the red lines out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Two friends are texting, then one calls the other. Not much, just staying home today. Me neither, I'm still in my pajamas. Pretty well, I went to bed early last night. Again? What were you doing? I know that feeling. It happens every weekend. You need to put your phone in another room. Part 2. Housework problem. Honestly, I need to clean the house. Me too. The dishes are piling up. How long has it been? That bad? And tomorrow never came. Good. Where are you going to start? Smart move. I always do the floors last. It does, but after it's done, whole place feels different. Exactly. It feels like you can breathe again. Part 3. Motivation problem. What do you mean? And you just freeze. I do that too. It's overwhelming. I put on a playlist. Music helps me get going. Try it today. Put something on and just start with one thing. Yeah, just one. The dishes. That's it. That's fine, no pressure. Part 4. Taking a break. About an hour later. See, I told you. How does it feel now? What did you put on? Told ya. What's next? Okay, that's fair. Did you eat anything this morning? Okay, that's not great. Go eat something. What do you have at home? Add that to the list then. Sounds like a full Saturday. Part 5. Weekend plans. Not really, just taking it easy. Did you do anything last weekend? Oh, nice. Where did you go? Good for you. I always say I'll go, but then I don't. Yeah, let's actually do that, not just say it. Next weekend, if the weather is good. Right. Chores first, then freedom. Part 6. Wrapping up. Me too. Good luck with the rest. Will do. Maybe we can watch something tonight. Same, okay. Go clean. Talk later. That's it for today. You just practiced English through very normal Saturday, housework, weekend plans, lazy mornings, and real conversation. Everyday expressions, different tenses, and the kind of English people actually use. Just like real life. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments and be honest. Are you a clean as you go person, or do you let it pile up and do it all at once? I want to know. I read every comment. If this is useful for you, subscribe to my channel. New videos every week. Keep flowing. See you next time.